Hello, everyone. It's Anne again here. Now, I have discovered an app from Canva. I'm not sure I suppose this is a new app, and I found this very interesting. So, I'm going to share with you this app. Now, you go to, when you are at the homepage of Canva, you go to the app. Now, I found this here is called Font Frame. Of course, you need to read through if you need to understand what is it all about. Now, there are two choices here: use in existing design or use in new design. I'm not going to go into all this because I have tried this before. Now, I'm going to show you the actual app how it is used. I have already saved this app into my folder here, your apps. So I'm going to put this, you click on this. Now you can see this is hello world. This is the actual design will actually goes into this canvas once you click the add to design. Now there are two sections here. The first section here is image and text. You can select your image, you can scale the image, and you can edit the text. The second section here is setting. Allows you to change the font, alignment, left, center or right, thickness of the outline. I'm going to show you later the letter spacing, of course, the spacing of each letter, and the line spacing of each words. Okay, now I'm going to the image and text section. I'm going to upload my image. Okay, I'm going to use this image. Now you can see hello world. Image is changed. You can reposition the image or you can scale the image over here. All right. Okay. So now you can actually change the text over here. Hello. Okay, I'm going to change the text. How are you? So it's not that good. I'm going to edit the text. Okay. Now, if your line is your sentence is in one line and it's too long, the text will be getting smaller. So I suggest you to use something that is in every words in different sentence, okay, different line. So I'm going to put hello world, back to hello world. Okay. Now for the image, as I said, you can actually reposition or scale the image. We have done this part. Now we go to setting. Now here it allows you to change the font. Now it's best that you change the font that is wider and bigger size. You get what I mean. If I look at, I'm going to select this one. Okay, or you can actually select any text, any font that you like. Again, after you selecting the fonts type, it allows you to change the thickness outline. Okay, now you can see the thickness outline. Can you see that? The only setback of this app is it doesn't allow you to change the outline color. It's only black. There's nothing else you can change. You are allowed to change the letter spacing, each and every word spacing. I'm going to try that. Okay. Okay. Allows you to change the line spacing. Okay. Now you can see the spacing. Now, after you have done all this, if you think that the image is good enough and you think this, you are satisfied with the design. Now, as I said, the setback is the outline color. It doesn't allow you to change at all. Okay. Now, since we have no choice, I'm going to test this and add this design into the canvas here. Okay. Now, this is the design. Hello world. Now, it doesn't allows you to edit again, like I said, you have to redesign or upload a new picture again if you want to have a different picture. There's no way it will automatically update over here once you change the design. So the only thing is you uh, change the picture over here and add the design to a second page. All right. There's no way for you, that is automatically update over here. As soon as you change the design here, the image here won't change. The only thing is you have to add another page to update the picture that you want. So I'm going to try that again. Okay, I'm going to select this image. You see, it doesn't allow you, even you want to change the setting or the font, it doesn't update over here. So you have to add to a new canvas or new page. This is the one. However, it allows you to edit the image. Let's say I'm going to make this duplicate. I'm going to edit this. I can actually edit image like how you edit your own the normal image. Okay. Now you can adjust the filter. Okay. All right. Okay. Now you can actually adjust again over here the whole, the temperature and all sort of things. You can adjust everything over here. Reset adjustment. I'm going to go back the effect. I'm not a pro user, so I can't do any of this. Okay, I can blur, make it blur and see, whole image. All right. I can make a shadow. Let's try. Okay, now all this, it can be done. But the only setback, as I said, you can't change the outline color. When you update the, let's say, I'm going to go here again. Now, when you update the image, it doesn't apply immediately on the same uh, picture that you have generated. You have to create a new one and update into a new page. Okay, I think that's about it. I hope you try and let me know what is your experience in the comment section. All right, thank you so much.